So in today's videos, I am going to talk to you about the dreaded pile of receipts that I get every week. And they're mostly dreaded because when I look at them and they're time stamped and I have the date on them, I know how much time was lost every single week on that project. Like, we just finished an 8-week project. It most likely could have been finished in 7 weeks, but it's the multiple trips back and forth for the smallest things, which could have been one trip a day, maybe one trip every other day, if your guys will take the time, breathe, look to see what they need, make a list, and make one trip either at night on their way out. And really, it's probably better to make that stop on the way in because they're fresh, right? I mean, they've had a long, hard day. Sometimes it's hard to really think, and they want to get home to their families for dinner. So on the way in. Now, we do a good job, but we definitely don't do a great job of that. One of the things that I changed this year was, it used to be that we would pick and pull items that were going to be more of a timely manner coming to the project. Like, the kitchen would come at one time, and the flooring would come at one time, and the toilets would come at another time, and the light fixtures would come at another time. And I stopped doing that. So what I'm doing now is I'm ordering all of that all at once. It comes all together, and it goes in one empty room in the project, and then they can pick off it because it stops them. It's one less trip back and forth for a toilet, a light fixture, and one delivery fee, and one big haul in, and I don't have to run around looking for it. So one of the things to do is to give your guys a spiral notebook and say, hey, write it in here. Write everything in just this one spiral notebook, and just hope that they'll do that for you, because that's when things get efficient. The other thing that I can tell you that drives me absolutely crazy, and my guys know this too, is, and I know their heart's in the right place, is when they buy something in volume, because their rationale is they're saving me money. And then I look at what they bought in volume, which usually is a screw that we only needed 4 of for something very specific. And now I have a whole box of them, and then it goes into our trailer to never be used again. Or it could be used again, but nobody wants to take the time to go through all the different little boxes of nails. So what do? I either throw them away now, or I give them away, because I don't want to be storing them so they can rust and then throw them away later. So it's giving me some peace of mind. I have like really serious OCD when it comes to things like that. My guys know that. I mean, my favorite tool is the broom and dustpan. I'm always like, I can't help myself. Really, I'd be dressed like this and I show up. I've got my nice new boots on, and they get scuffed and covered with dust, and I'm, always dusting myself off, but that's my thing, and I drive them crazy with that. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. It's an interesting business. I love the business. I'm so in love with the fixing and flipping business. I adore my guys, so please forgive me, guys. I absolutely adore them. The work they do, I'm about to cry. It's just extraordinary, and I feel so blessed to have you in my life. So thank you for following me. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.